In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the front lower bumper grille on this BMW X5. This is going to be located in the front bumper. Let's get into it. We're going to take these screws out. You're going to use a 8mm socket. Take these out. Take those out. It's going to be loose. We're going to remove this shield. Use a Phillips head screwdriver and just twist these screws. You only have to twist them about a turn. Some of them will stay with it. They're just caged. All right, that's separate. And there's a couple missing here. Take these off. In the back, should be some there, there, and here. When this panel comes down, slide that out of the way. Take these screws out, use a 8mm socket. And do the same on the other side. Take these screws out. We're going to use a 8mm socket. Now with a trim tool, just get underneath here, pop this trim out. Just going to unclip right there, just like that. Then you want to do the same on the other side. I'm going to grab behind the bumper, and with a little bit of force, you want to pull the bumper out and forward a little bit. Just like that. It's just clipped in. You want to do the same on the other side. And before you pull it out completely, you want to disconnect the fog light if your vehicle has them. I'm going to grab it from underneath. It's a little bit easier to grab the connector. Squeeze the terminals. There we go. Do the same on the other side. Pull that off. And we have one more connector. Tip the bumper up. Disconnect this connector. Just push on this side. There you go. And the bumper comes right off. To remove the grille, I'm just going to use a straight blade screwdriver. There's clips holding this in. Just want to push back on those clips. Just go all the way around. On the side there is these covers. You can pop these covers off. There might be one on the other side. This vehicle doesn't have that. And just pop all these clips out. There we go. There's the grille. Now take the new grille, line this up. All right, and you want to push it all in place. Get all the clips clipped in. All right. All right, that's all clipped in. Take these side panels and clip those in. If you need to, you can use some needle nose pliers. Push these in place, or a screwdriver. That's good. If you had one on the other side, do the same. And we're going to connect the connector. It's going to go to this connector. Lock that in place. And get it closer, and then you're going to plug in the fog lights. Now line the connector up. Lock it in place. Do the same on the other side. And we'll get this bumper lined up. Push it in place. Gonna get this lined up. Looks good. There we go. That's clipped in. Clip this in. Put these screws in. And do the same on the other side. Underneath, put these screws in. And snug these up. And do the same on the other side. Take this under panel, get this lined up, and get these started. Tighten down the screws. And just twist those. All right, and twist the other ones in place. Now up top, get these screws started. Tighten these down. And just snug those down.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.